Snake.
Is it just one?
No, there's six.
Wait. There you go, let it. Oh no.
Oh, come on. Apparently it doesn't want to leave Earth right now.
There. Alright, snake.
It's so cool.
Looks like it's taking a crap.
It looks like it's coming out of like lava. It looks like
coming from hell, yeah.
Yeah, it's coming from hell.
Just don't touch that afterwards, okay?
Yeah.
Because that black stuff you won't get off your hands, and I don't want it in the house.
Yeah. It's coming from hell. It's like a never-ending chain.
There's this one.
Alright.
Poop from hell.
You know how to use that one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Devil's taking a crap right now. I'm guessing she ate a bunch of stuff right now. I think he ate a very, very, very long airhead. Sour airhead.
Seems like it's ending. Yep, just ended.
Nice.
Look at that crap.
That's some nice crap. I think it has fire maggots on it. Don't they kind of look like maggots? Like a
Nah, I think it's just corn.
Yeah, it's lit up corn.
Lit up corn.
Yeah, that's kind of gross. Alright. It's so like rock